All right, let's take a look at IXL U.3, find the value using two variable equations. This is going to seem like something we've already done before because we have, but we're going to use this concept in a new way. When we are graphing lines, we can choose values for the x-coordinate, sub it in, and find out the y-coordinate. This will then give us an ordered pair. In other words, if we have one coordinate of an ordered pair, we can sub it into the equation and find the second coordinate of the ordered pair. So you'll see this now. Use the equation g equals p plus 3 to find the value of g when p equals 7. So it's simple as you think it is. We don't know what g is, so g equals, we know what p is 7 plus 3, so g equals 10. Okay, so g equals 10, there you go, submit. All right, let's step it up a notch. Let me skip ahead to the next level. I have this ability, you guys don't. This one looks pretty similar to the first one here. H equals V plus 8. We know V is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. So when V is 1, H is 9. Why does this come in handy? Well, on this one we worked earlier, let's say P is our domain value, which is to say, if I can spell, AIN, which is to say our x-coordinate, right? So the domain, or the x-coordinate, was 7, and we found our range coordinate, which is to say the y-coordinate, g, which was 10. So this would give us an ordered pair. So back to this one. I want you to start thinking about these as ordered pairs. So if this is your domain, and then H we'll say is your range. You can't assume that, but just for the sake of this problem, we are going to assume that. So H is equal to, V was 1, we said, and then plus 8. So H is equal to 9. So I want you to think about this as an ordered pair, like we subbed in 1, that was the input, and the output was 9. So 1, 9. By the way, H is equal to 9 here. We could then plot the ordered pair 1, 9. And then we can play connect the dots to find the graph of the line. Let's try this one. Use the equation W equals 3 times t to find the value of W when t equals 8. Well, 3 times t, 3 times 8 is 24 for W. There you go. So again, think about this as an ordered pair. 8 comma 24. 8 comma 24. That's an ordered pair. You could graph that, right? All right, same thing here. Let me skip ahead a level. Okay, 11 times G, 11 times 8, that's 88. So F is equal to 88. So when G is 8, F is 88. 8 comma 88. That is an ordered pair. 8 comma 88. You could graph that on a graph, and we will do that later. All right, let's put this one up and work it. All right, so we don't know R, so R equals 6 times, and instead of W, we're going to sub in 8 plus 14. Remember your order of operations, right? PEMDAS. Multiplication here comes before addition, so R is equal to 6 times 8, 48, plus 14. 48 plus 14, we get 62. Think about this as an ordered pair again. 8, oh, back up, 8, comma, 62. You're going to have to graph something like this in the future. So 62 for R. There you go, 62 for R. Got it. All right, this one's just like that previous one. Let's skip ahead a level, see if we get any changes. All right, Owen has a superhero lunchbox with 20 lunchboxes in it. Oh, sorry. Owen has a superhero lunchbox collection. Go ahead, Owen. With 20 lunchboxes in it. 20 lunchboxes in the collection. From now on, he decides to buy one new lunchbox every year for his birthday. Let Y represent the number of years from now, and B represent the total number of lunch boxes in his collection. Use the equation B equals Y plus 20 to find the value of B when Y equals 7. So this is to say in 7 years, how many will he have? 7 plus 20, he'll have 27. All right. Same idea here. Just read the word problem, work it out. Let's see if it changes up here in the challenge zone. When ringing up a customer, the cashier needs 4 seconds to scan each item and 12 seconds to process the payment. Let M represent the number of items and S represent the number of seconds to ring up a customer. Use the equation S equals 4 times M plus 12 to find the value of S when M equals 1. So 4 times 1 is 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12 is 16, so we need 16 seconds. There you go. That's all there is to it. Read the word problem, sub in the appropriate values to find the other value, the unknown variable. Please keep in mind we are using this to find ordered pairs in the future so we may graph. All right, thank you very much.